Teach you to take this look into minutes. Foam tubes can increase the edge three-dimensionality. The cuff plug can straighten and puff up the sleeves. Underarm support rods can quickly flatten the armpits. Strong bend tube bends. Adjust the shoulder slope. Bend the shoulder bend to the appropriate shoulder width. Use the collar support rod to hold the back of the polo collar to prevent the collar from sagging due to weight. Use the underarm support rod. Push the underarm sleeves backward. Put the cuff on the cuff stopper. Stitch a few stitches around to fix the cuffs. Stretch the sleeves. The sleeves bulge due to fabric tension. The shadow here is very straight. Turn the underarm support rod to change the thickness of the shadow. Adjust the hem. The telescopic rod hides the hanger completely. If you don't want to make fake shadows, you can install the pleat positioning rod to position the natural folds in the front of the clothes. A little post-editing is all that is needed to complete it.